If you're planning to buy property in Spain, understanding the essentials of a property purchase contract is crucial. This agreement formalizes the sale and protects both buyer and seller. Start by ensuring the contract includes full personal details for both parties. And if an agent is involved, their credentials too. Next, look for a detailed property description, including address, size, layout, and legal registry information. The contract should clearly state the purchase price, payment terms, and any deposit arrangements. Don't forget to check the agreed handover date and who covers costs like taxes, notary, and agency fees. Make sure all required certificates, such as energy efficiency and habitability, are provided. Finally, review any penalty clauses for non-compliance and confirm both parties sign every page.